Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever caught yourself squinting at tiny text in your Gmail inbox or felt overwhelmed by text that's way too large, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the font size in Gmail in just a few simple steps. Whether you want your emails to be easier on the eyes or just want a cleaner look, this quick guide will make your inbox feel perfectly customized. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your preferred web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon, which is your settings button. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few quick settings options. From there, select See All Settings. This will open Gmail's full settings page, which is where you can fine-tune how everything looks and behaves. Now, make sure you're in the General tab. It should open by default. Scroll down a bit until you find a section called Default Text Style. This is where you can adjust the font type, size, and even color for the text you use when composing emails. Next to the font name, you'll see an icon with two T's of different sizes. That's your font size control. Click on it and you'll see options like small, normal, and huge. Simply pick the size that feels most comfortable for you. If you're not sure which one to choose, try experimenting. Compose a test email and see which size feels easiest to read. Remember, a slightly larger font can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time in your inbox every day. Once you've found your ideal font size, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload and your new font size will now appear whenever you read or compose emails. Keep in mind that this change only affects the email text, not the rest of Gmail's interface, so your inbox layout will stay the same. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Gmail font size. It's a small tweak, but it can make your email experience much more comfortable and personal. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy emailing.